and challenge between Cara Brandon Creations and DearJulieJulie. This is week 1, and we're using day 1 from the kits. And to just, so I will show you the papers that we're working with today. This is just, as I said last week, this is just, this is just printed off in on draft on my computer, so on my printer. So this is not the quality that will be in my journal, but it's just to show you what we're working with. So these beautiful florals from DearJulieJulie, and this page from Cara Brandon Creations. So we'll get into this. So as I said before, I'm making a mini journal, and so this is what I made for day 1. So this is a little card, and I put the two ladies with put it on a music card that I had in my stash, and added the little flowers with little gems, and added one of Julie's flinch cards, and this little specimen card that I had for my stash, and the owl, and this also, and then this flips like this. Just hope this is still in frame. No, it's not. So this is from Cara Brandon's, and this is a space open for photos, and then this flips up, and this is another space that you can slide a photo in front of that, and these are cards that I did this one backwards intentionally, and I'll show you why in a minute. This is a card for journaling, but I wanted this like this so that it's right way on when you're looking at it this way, but it's also right way on when you're looking at it this way here. And so this one here goes in here. Okay, I gotta check this. We're still in frame. Okay. So, and this is my favorite part here, is the collage between Cara Brandon's and DearJulieJulie's. I love how that turned out. And then I did these little tags with a fox that I laminated, and this fox was actually a napkin, and added some, this was DearJulieJulie's, and this was from Cara Brandon's, and this was from my stash, and that's done onto it wasn't a cereal box, it was some sort of packaging. I can't remember what kind of packaging it was, but it was packaging anyway. And then this is just a little collaged, so there's lots of places to journal on there. And this is actually a pocket. So you actually have a pocket there as well, which is secret. And this opens as well. And this is a pocket as well. So there's lots of little tuck spots there to tuck things in. So that is my day one, except I haven't showed you this. This is my little, I did another specimen, one on a tag, and did the autumn skies, and took a fussy cut one of Julie's flowers that I'd done onto clear sticker paper, and just made a little paper clip, hidden paper clip, just to hold that together. And actually I should have that over the next page too. I'm actually going to put a different paper clip on here eventually, because I'm going to get a side one, but this is holding it for now. So that is what I did for day one. And so I hope you will continue to drop by and see what I've done. I've actually done all 5 days, and I'm working on completing this mini album and getting it into its cover. And so I'm really looking forward to showing you what I've done. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the other gals have done. And I hope that you will join us too. So check out the rest of the hop that we're doing this time. And thank you for dropping by. Bye now.